Hey guys, to use today's 000webhost.com tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload and install a WordPress plugin. This is pretty much the same as installing a theme. So what you want to do is find the plugin you want to install on whichever website it is. Just make sure it's compatible with your version of WordPress. For this example, we're going to use Social Count Plus, which will load up some counters saying how many Twitter followers you have, likes, YouTube subscribers, and other things like that. So we're going to go download version here, or whatever your theme build. There will be a download button somewhere. Obviously just save it to your desktop. Once that's downloaded, you just want to make sure it's all how it should be. It should be just like that with all the contents on the inside. And obviously here it has a readme and some screenshots, but you don't need to read these because I'll just show you how to do it here. So the next thing you want to do, you can close that down. You want to log into the 000webhost.com panel, open up the FTP file manager, and also log into your WordPress site here, like you have this. So obviously the site here, and you can go to the dashboard. Version of WordPress we're running here is 4.3.5. That's the latest stable version. So you want to go over to where your WordPress is installed. For example, here it is public_html/WordPress. So on the site it's like this, and then back over here we want to go into wp-content, and then it will be plugins. Very simple, very simple. WordPress is one of the many or a few ones that have a really simple file layout, making it easy to upload things. So here we have the current ones. We're going to go upload, over to archives, find your plugin, which obviously here is this one. We go open, upload, press the tick, and voila. And we're going to go back, as now you can see that it hasn't actually uploaded, which is an interesting. We're going to have a bug here, so just 1 minute, I'll refresh the page. Sometimes it may not display straight away. It looks like for some reason it hasn't worked, so we'll just try that again. Sometimes there can be bugs in the system on their end that may for some reason stop it from loading. Waiting for, there we are, so I'm going to go back. Pre-selecting archive, unable to extract files from directories from the archive. It could be many reasons, so for this we're just going to have to try something here. I don't know why it's doing this, but this could be a problem with the thing itself, so we're just going to drag that out over here, bring it back down over here. I don't know why it's doing this. It's not me, as you saw, I just downloaded this straight from things. So we're going to go, I have settings to be stored, you can just download this. We're going to add to there. So what I've done here is I've created another archive file here. So we're going to go back over to the FTP. We're going to go try and upload this new archive file. There's that zip there. I'm going to go tick. It may be, I'm not quite sure why it's doing this, but we'll have to see. Has it done it? Yes, and there we are. So it could be just something wrong with that zip. So if you are downloading that particular plugin, extract it out of the zip and zip it again. I have no idea why it did it. It could be a bug. It may just work fine, but always check, make sure it doesn't return the errors. So we're going to go, obviously, going to go back, tick back here. And then obviously there is our thing. So we're going to go over to our WordPress. We're going to go plugins here, and we'll have the currently installed plugins, which is a test run, always installed by WordPress. And it'll give the choices to activate, edit, or delete. In this case, we're going to go activate. And what it will do now is we're going to go jump back to our dashboard, and this will appear over by appearance, and then where's widgets? Appearance and then widgets. And you should have, there we are. Obviously you can now add this in. Okay, save that there, which will be the widget on itself, and then we should have, he says, plugins, or no, it'll be on plugins, install plugins, and there should be an options page for this plugin itself, which I can't find. It always used to bring up, depending on the theme itself. Ah, there we are. Sorry, I haven't used WordPress in a while. I'm just getting back into it. So once you've installed this plugin, you've added your widget into the sidebar, as you saw me just do. You want to go down to settings, and then it'll be down here at the bottom. That's not a very good place to put it. I would have put it link on here myself. So you want to go settings, social count plus. Just this example. Different the problems with different widgets, they may show up in different places. Some widgets you install you install will come up here. It just depends on the thing. So just obviously you just put in Twitter username as an example. I don't know my Facebook ID. I'm just putting YouTube channel name again. Activate. I'm not quite sure if activate deactivate means it's activated or activated deactivated, but we'll just have to see what happens. And then you do that, and obviously I'm sort of going into how to use this one, but obviously there you are. So I haven't got any. Obviously there you are, it now has one post and one comment, but it's not quite working. So that's how to install and upload a WordPress plugin, and my sort of iffy mark in the middle, but obviously how to extract it into a zip if it doesn't upload the one you downloaded. I don't know why it didn't do that. It may just be something wrong with that particular zip. Just always check and make sure. Remember to rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you around.